150 every day.
Right here's your driver who's been patiently waiting for you. The man of the hour.
Take this thing off my truck?
Yeah.
I told him not to wait.
I know what.
I hugged him, don't worry. Oh, those are good-looking wheels, Don. That is so sharp.
We're on back. That's the first 5-0 at Lancaster. It's the first one in Central Ohio with them brakes. How many more of these here? That's it.
Woo! There they are, brother and sister.
Congratulations.
Oh my God, it's so good looking. Damn, and I'm talking about you, Don.
Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you, Jeff. Do you need another hug, honey, or is that one good enough?
That's probably good enough to last me all day.
That'll last you all day. Say hi, because you'll be on YouTube later.
Oh, thanks.
Look at those Mustangs now. But right here's the best one. Where's my salesman? He's over there. He's over there recording.